my house. Absolutely love it. It sounds amazing.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today we're heading straight to the beach. Got to go pick up my mate first. We've got all our food cooked up. Here it all is, prepped and ready. You know we got to stay ahead and stay tracked on diet. So, like I said, the car is already full. We're going to go pick up my mate and we're going to head straight to the beach. The weather is gorgeous in the UK right now and it's not even June yet, so we're winning. Let's get straight to it. If you don't know, the Gymshark Onyx dropped last night and I was lucky enough, I was quick enough actually, to get myself one of the rarest ones, which you'll see in a minute. I'm so gassed. Hasn't delivered yet, but it will hopefully in the next couple days, and we're going to hit a crazy session with the Onyx. Bring back this prime 2016 David Laid aesthetics. The gym is back. Gym is prime. Summer is here. Onyx is released. I cannot wait. Anyways, let's go pick up my mate and go to the beach. Alright boys, we're at the designated pickup spot. Should be here any minute. Beach days are actually so good. When you bring all your food and you bring all the gear, it's just gas, because you literally bring all your equipment, you just lie down.
The essentials.
There he is. Hell yeah. How are you?
Good, bro.
Yes, boys, on the way to the beach now. This is fucking sick. The place we live in is such a blessing. I can't believe it. We got Sonny in the car. He's new to the channel.
Fuck
yes,
yeah.
Man, come on.
Hopefully be making more appearances this summer.
Yeah, definitely will be. Sonny's active. He knows what he wants and he knows he's not shy to the fucking camera.
Fuck no.
We're coming up to some spenny houses right now.
Yeah, there's some crazy houses along this road.
Give them a fucking preview.
Look at this bad boy.
And you can see the sea behind there. Honestly, boys, it's like 20 degrees, 7 UVs right now. It's fucking gas. You gotta utilize the sunshine, because if you're sat inside on a day like this, you seriously need to reconsider your life.
Missing out.
But yeah, heading to the beach now. I'll get back to you when we get there. Boys, look at this view. Fucking gas. Such a privilege to live in this area. Honestly, summer here is unbelievable. Unbelievable. I love it. All the boys come down to the beach. It's sensationally out. So cool. The sea's gonna be cold, but what a time to be alive. Oh, fucking hell!
Seriously blessed to live in.
Road, man? Fucking idiots. Weather looks gorgeous. And then he's taking this. Breathing the fresh air. Fuck yeah, boys. On the way to the beach now. It's fucking boiling, so I cannot wait to get in that water. Look at that. So empty. Alright boys, so we made it to the beach. It's empty, there's a nice breeze, and it's boiling. It's fucking good. Fucking perfect. Fucking sick. I'm gonna eat some food and then we're probably gonna go in the sea. But this is fucking crack, bro. Get the gains out. Let's fucking go. Gonna eat this, let it digest for a little bit, and then we're gonna go in the sea. What a time to be alive. Yes boys, about to go in the sea now. Feeling fucking great. The sun is beaming. We're gonna go in the sea. It's empty, it's gonna be chilly, and it's gonna be fucking amazing. This is fucking prime life, boys. That's what happens. You can stay locked in and still have fun. I've been preaching it for fucking ages. Look at me. Let's fucking go. one here. Have fun, best of both worlds. You know, you can go to the beach and do fun stuff, or you can go to the beach and do fun stuff and do it shredded. That's the way I see it.
Fuck yeah.
Go.
I can feel it.
Ready, block.
No, no.
Use a 7 right now, so get some extra tan on us. What the fuck is this going? Holy fuck. Fuck yeah. So boys, heading back from the beach now. We are cooked. None of us put any sun cream on because we're only here for like 3 hours. But I'm literally about to go back to the car, get changed, and I'm off to work. So I won't see you until I have the most prized possession in the gym community at my doorstep. The Onyx V5, black and blue, the rarest one. So I'll see you there. Thank you, and I'll see you in about 2 seconds. Get ready, because I'm fucking excited. Last night when I bought it, I was messaging my mate who also got one. We were both jumping for joy. So let's get straight to it. Everything away, ready, time to leave. Got my food for later at work. Boys, we're currently at work. This is our scrap. This is what was in that container earlier. Beef, eggs and peppers. Boys, I just had to stop in the car on the way to work just to show you this view. Summer is back. This summer is like 2016 summer. It feels prime. Let me show you.
Can you feel it too? I can feel it. 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 Can you feel it?
Anyways, the Onyx will arrive soon. I cannot wait. Let's shut up. Let's go to work. And I will see you when the glorious piece of material arrives at my doorstep. I'm glazing it because the first David Laid video I ever watched was the drop of the Onyx V1, and the one I've got is almost identical to that. Let's go.
3 days later.
Boys, so I've just got out of the shower and checked my phone, and the delivery has arrived before I've even woken up. I woke up late because I was working late last night, but I believe it's here, so I'm gonna go check it out. Alright, so I just went outside, couldn't find it, and thought, fuck, I almost had a heart attack, but my mother has brought it in the house, and it is here. Oh my god. Just feel the aura coming off this right now, just harnessing the fucking energy. Boys, I'm literally jumping for joy right now. This is actually so hype. Oh my god. Oh, look at this breakfast. Ignore the bananas. 2 kiwis. Pancakes. These pancakes are literally only made of 2 bananas and 4 eggs. I will drop the recipe soon. If you want a what I eat in a day, let me know. Boys, so we're in the car. We've eaten our breakfast and we are going to hit a crazy push day. Chest, shoulders, triceps in the Onyx. I'm so excited. If you saw the clip from earlier, it's kind of a throwback because the first David Laid video I watched was the drop of the Onyx V1. And from then I was inspired. And it's kind of something that was pivotal in the start of my lifting because that just inspired me. And I'm so glad that I have managed to get a piece of clothing which represents that early stage, that 2016-17 David Laid, and just I'm so lucky to be able to get one. It was very difficult. I was very quick on that drop. Everyone's saying bots. It was all anti-bot things in place. It was just a very high demanded product, and there was not enough stock to reach the demand. But that's the whole point. It's meant to be a rare item. It's meant to be something you see and you go, whoa, that's an Onyx. That's what makes it so special, because it's such a rare piece. And I'm so lucky to have one, and I cannot wait to train in it. So without further ado, let's drink our pre-workout. Let's get some fitting music on, and let's go train in our new Onyx. Hit a crazy session, praying we get a good pump and we're strong. And this might be one of the best gym sessions ever, because of how much it means to me to be able to wear this piece of clothing, which was pivotal in my lifting journey. So, let's get to it.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Boys, I cannot express enough how good this shirt makes you feel. It makes you feel like a superhero. Super tight, super elastic. It's like wearing a wetsuit. I feel amazing. Gonna hit some incline Smith now. On the incline dumbbell, I didn't feel as strong as usual because I haven't done it in like a month, which is expected. But let's get straight to it. No yapping.
Melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon,
finish it off, this Onyx is like the best thing I've ever worn. I feel unbelievable. I feel like David Laid in 2016. The weight is hitting the floor. God, piss off. Boys, holy shit. Boys, session is done, cardio is done. Probably top 3 sessions of all time. I was just listening to fucking slowed David Laid audios and NCS wearing this beautiful piece of clothing. I genuinely, oh my god, this video is gonna be so good. What a time to be alive. I used to pray for times like this. You know, I used to train just wanting to, you know, look good and be in an Onyx and be aesthetic, and oh boy, I'm just so happy right now, so full of joy. What a time to be alive. Making progress every day, every week. TikToks are still up daily, YouTube videos weekly. I'm not stopping. I want this more than anyone, and I'm on the way there. I know I'm not there yet, and I can't boast saying that I am, but I know I'm on the way, because nothing is stopping me, and I will not stop until I get where I want to be. Chasing perfection, even though perfection does not exist. Let's go home, let's have some post-workout food, and let's relax. Day off work. This is beautiful. Sun's just come out. What a time to be alive. Let's go.